Introducing the Milescraft Kneeblades. The Kneeblades' high-quality design allows for balance, flexibility, and mobility while remaining in a comfortable kneeling position. Are your knees and back tired of getting up and down every time your projects require you to kneel or cover a large work area? Doing this over the course of a long day can become tedious and painful. The Kneeblades provide comfortable and stable support with the ability to roll across the work area with ease. With a comfortable fitting contour, the Kneeblades evenly displace weight and lessen pressure on the knees. The three-wheeled mobile base allows for a full 360 degrees of turning capability. The Kneeblades come with durable non-marring swivel casters that are rated at 80 pounds each for a total capacity of 480 pounds. These casters roll easily over most work surfaces. With the push of a button, you can go from Kneeblades to Kneepads. The Kneeblades come with a tapered gel pad with a durable plastic outer shell and built-in Velcro strap. To remove the Kneeblades from the Kneepad, simply push the black button on the lower front and pull up. And when it's time to kneel and glide, simply snap the Kneeblade back into place. The Kneeblades were designed to offer comfortable support and mobility over long project days. Here are just a few examples of how the Kneeblades can be used. If you have ever wanted to effortlessly move around the floor while doing those back-breaking jobs, then stop getting up and down and get a set of Milescraft Kneeblades. You kneel, you glide. Milescraft, always the better idea.